This award goes to Doninya Johan Aris I, Achiever, Most Responsible Student. Congratulations! Parents, don't forget to clap your hands. This award is awarded to Espero Ken Jen AC, Achiever and Most Polite Student. Congratulations! Parents, clap your hands! This award is awarded to Madam Johan J, Achiever, Most Courteous Student. Congratulations!
Oh, dalawang medal. Dalawang medal.
Kaya nga.
And this award is awarded to Venezuela ASP, Outstanding Student and Best in Art. Congratulations! And this award is awarded to Ramirez Kurt Andre I, Achiever and Most Helpful Student. Congratulations! This award goes to Goham Jan Mark D, Achiever and Most Polite Student. Congratulations! This award goes to Aguilar Gia Kali D, Outstanding Student and Best in Numeracy Student. Congratulations! Palakpak, parents! This award goes to Abadi Luzelle Kala S, Outstanding Student and Best in Storytelling. Congratulations! Congratulations to Polo Mishka Luis M, Achiever and Most Cheerful Student. Congratulations! Congratulations to Cortez Jillian Cristal M, Outstanding Student and Best in Coloring. Congratulations! This award to Fulgencio Queen Catriona T, Achiever and Most Sporty Youth Student. Congratulations! Maria Isabel. C. Outstanding student and best in conduct. Congratulations.
Naging na Karaya.
This award goes to Hernandez Graciela M. Achiever and Most Cheerful Student. Congratulations. Hernandez, don't forget to clap your
Ay,
hands.
wala. Asaan?
This award goes to Abal EMP, Outstanding Student and Best in Coloring. Congratulations.
Di ba naman ito? Diyan lang yan, mag-picture kayo. Sila na nakasabi. Dali na siya. Sabi ko kasi.
And this award goes to Legazpi Luna O, Outstanding Student and Best in Writing Student. Congratulations.
Congrats, Luna.
This award goes to Luna K. Allison C, Outstanding Student and Best in Writing. Congratulations. And unwavering support that contributed to the success of the implementation of early childhood care and development program of Chocolate Hills Child Development Center school year 2023 and 2024, given the 6th day of June during the Recognition Day ceremony held at McDonald City Hall, Barangay Putatan, City of Muntinlupa, signed by Dolores C. Camigla.